Hello guys, my name is Anand and today in this video I'll show you how to delete Gmail account from desktop. Many of the tutorials we have seen how to delete it from mobile, but in this video I'll show you how to delete it from desktop. Actually my one viewer stuck in this process, so that's why I'm making this video only specifically for him, but if any other person wants to know, so you can watch this video. So deleting Gmail account is very simple. First of all, you have to open that Gmail account which one you want to delete. So here I have created one dummy Gmail account and I have opened that Gmail account here. So now after opening the Gmail account, you will find the top right corner logo, your Gmail logo. So here you have to click, and after that here you will find your Gmail account. So here you will get one option, manage your Google account. You have to click and it will open another tab. And after that, before deleting, here I want to show you some other features. If you stuck in future, you can do that. Suppose you want to change your password, so you have to go to the security tab from left menu side, and after that here you have to scroll down. So you will get some other options, like if you want to add the recovery phone, means if you add your phone number and if you forget the password of your Gmail account, so if you add the phone number and you can recover it. Same way you can add the another mail ID for recovering this Gmail account. And if you want to change the password, so here you can click and you can change, and you can see when you change last. So I changed last July 16, so you can see that one. Now coming to the main topic, deleting Gmail account. So for that purpose you have to go data and privacy. So I will open that one, and after that if I scroll, so here simply I'll get delete option. So after scrolling here you can see in this tab here it is clearly written delete your Google account. So I'll click that one and it will ask a password, whatever password you use for login. So that password you have to provide here, because this is for the security purpose, that Google wants to know like some other person wants to delete or you only want to delete. I mean the owner of this Gmail account want to delete or some other person. That is the security purpose. So here you have to provide the password here, and after that you have to click the next button. So now here you can read this, like something here they are guiding, like if you delete you cannot access. So those kind of thing here it is written. So if you want to read, so you can read that, but now otherwise you have to come and you have to check those check boxes. Here it is confirming like you have read all those things, means if you have delete you cannot recover again because you are deleting permanently, right? So those things they have written and you are agreeing those things. So you have to check those check boxes, and now click this delete account, so it will delete. See here your Google account and all data has been deleted. Okay, so this way you can delete your unnecessary Gmail account which you have created, or if you have Gmail account you want to delete, so you can do that. Hope this video is helpful. So please like this video, also subscribe my channel to get more update in JavaScript. Even